Hello again, Dana here. Today I'm going to tell you something else. You see these glasses I'm wearing? I'm going to tell you a story about these glasses. This is a set of reading glasses from the local China mall. Righto, here's the glasses. You won't believe this pair of glasses. They used to be like a more vibrant blue color, it's more out of a green now. I bought this at a local this China mall here for 14 rand. This is like 1/4 South African rand. This is like about nothing. This is, I've got like I bought 4 sets of it, like about 4 or 5 years back. And this is the second last pair. One pair is at my bedside when I read at night. This one I'm taking to work every day and wearing every day. I just put a little string on and put it around my neck. I don't get lost. But this is the most fantastic glasses you will ever believe. If you go buy a set of reading glasses from through a prescription, and then it's going to cost you about 5,000 rand. There's no layer on here for reflections or anything, but the design of this thing, the what I would say, the design of the lenses, how they designed the lenses, and how they designed the frame. You'll see here. There's I'll just have a close up here. You'll see here's a little inside. Here's a little mechanical thing that if you're to adjust with a different type of if maybe face size people have, like, and then the other ones you buy by the local chemist, they don't have this. Then if you put on your head, and your head is like bigger than the other one, then it changes the shape of the thing, and then it damages your eyes if you have a funny feeling, and then the focus is not so good. This one, like, take this whole effort out by just moving here. There's a little spring in here, so this is a nice design, and it's a relatively good plastic. It won't, other ones break normally in the middle here from the sweat, but this one keeps on going. This one I wear for about the last 2 years every day. But the thing is about this thing, there's a focal lens, the distance of this thing is fantastic. You can read close, you can read a little bit further on your computer and the laptop the whole day, so it won't tire your eyes. I just wish there will be more people or eye doctors selling these glasses, or import them from China, or get more hold of more stock and selling it to the people who actually need glasses. But I must say, this is only when your both of your eyes have the same problem. So it's not like if one eye is different than the other one, then you'll more or less have to go to see an eye doctor. Okay, I have another pair here that I use when I do painting and other stuff. You'll see this thing is full of paint already, and it looks horrible, but it works. This one actually eventually broke here on the side. I put some glue here and I fixed it. It's fixed, but this one has been around the block already. Okay, I just have to feel I have to show you and inform you about this type of thing. If you see this type of glasses in the shape by the China mall, and it's blue of color, just buy it. It's cheap, and it lasts. So it's a real money saving and a life saving device. Okay, that's it for now. Cheers.